Looks like NFTs are actually coming back, and I will show you a few indicators that are proving my point. First of all, here you can see two NFT mints that minted recently. The Good Vibes Club minted 5 days ago, and here you can see mint price actually went up, and right now for Good Vibes Club the the floor price here you can see is 0.31 Ethereum. Let's refresh it. Maybe it has gone even higher. So around 0.31 Ethereum, which is insane because we haven't seen this since like 2022 when the floor prices are actually going up, not dumping after the mint. And if you was following my Patreon or my YouTube, you would had a chance to mint these for 0.069. So we are at around 4x, 5x gains if you minted. And I had around 400 spots available to mint. So if you was following my Patreon and actually minted, congrats. And I will post more opportunities as I see them. And as we see here, the second collection minted for around 2.5 Ethereum, and right now the floor price is 7 Ethereum, which is insane. Again, another new collection. And the sad part is that I sold these early. I sold for 0.12 Ethereum, which was still 2x gains for me. One I sold for around 0.7 Ethereum. So I got $1,000 gains. Right now I could get around 2,000, 2,500 gains for the specific NFT from this collection. So I basically missed a lot of money. Now, why I am telling about NFTs are going up. Here you can see the NFT search on Google is actually going up, which is for me quite interesting because I don't feel the NFTs coming back yet. Other than these two collections, which are basically happened recently, and the floor prices are going up, because there is not so much talk about NFTs. The CryptoPunks are dropping in value. They were around 100,000 per CryptoPunk. Right now, they are at 74,000, something like that. But usually that happens when the NFT bull run comes. Basically, the historic NFTs are going down because the new ones, the utility ones, are going up because people want utility, they want news, and the historic NFTs like CryptoPunks don't do anything. They are just historic NFTs for like the art NFTs, and they will always be the biggest collection in my opinion. But yeah, really bullish. And here you basically can see my last NFT video was this is basically the main video I made, was around December 3rd when I said NFT bull run, NFTs are coming back, and I predicted that in 2025 we will see the biggest NFT bull run, and I still think we have a chance to see that because the global liquidity is going up, and I think Bitcoin will soon reach 100,000. That's my opinion and my basically wishful thinking. Right now Bitcoin is around $84,000, and again, if you're looking at the last 12 months, here you can see the NFTs are actually breaking out from 50 points to 100 points, like the biggest interest in the last year, so quite big. And I see this trend still continuing despite crypto and Bitcoin stagnating. And yeah, here I basically tweeted the same. So yeah, really interesting. Right now I am focusing on buying utility NFTs. I am really not into big collections, although they can do some good numbers if the community and the vibes are great. But yeah, still I am into utility. For example, this 555 is an alpha group. You get many mint opportunities. Also, if you was in this alpha group, you could mint a Good Vibes Club NFTs for cheap. That's why, again, great opportunity, great value. The second collection I am holding is Admit 1. Again, if you held Admit 1, you could mint Good Vibes Club and basically get your value back, because here you can see floor price is 0.36 and Good Vibes Club is at 0.31. Soon it will most likely go up because there is so much hype. So yeah, good, basically great collection to hold, and you get plenty of airdrops as well. So this value is basically paid back, is already paid back, because and there is no reason for me to sell this. It basically gives me a free money. That's what I basically mean by holding utility NFTs, because this 100 rel 555 gives me free money, free mints, free whitelist opportunities, and this again. So that's basically like holding a chicken that is laying you golden eggs. Why should you sell it? Next one is Golden Mint Pass. For this project particularly, I got one collectible, not NFT collectible, but real, basically collectible made from vinyl. So right now this project is still quiet, but looking at this uptrend in NFTs, I still think Gold Pass will come back. Many huge team members in this project. I should buy actually these 3, and I might buy these if they are not gone after I post this video. Now, if we are talking about not NFTs, because right now in this bull run, the most important thing to do, in my opinion, is to follow narratives. I was late in NFTs. Right now, basically the crypto is more about meme coins, and I understand most people and many people hate meme coins. They don't like that everything dumps, but there are so many opportunities. That's why I am not fading meme coins. And my biggest play right now is Dogging Me. Right here you can see it basically went up in value quite a lot, like 4x, 3x in the last days, because there was an announcement that Coinbase will list this meme coin on Base, on basically Base chain. That's why Coinbase is listing them, and why I think it will go up in value. I'm waiting for at least 5x, maybe even 10x, because when they listed Toshi, one of the biggest meme coins, on Base as well, when they mentioned it went up like 2x, 3x. After the listing, it went 7x more, but it went up from 150 million to 800 million, 900 million. This is not at 150 million market cap, this is at 64, so there is a bigger upside. And what happens is when Coinbase, here you can see the announcement that assets added to the roadmap today, Dogging Me, March 14, 2 days ago. What happens is they announce that it is added to roadmap, and one day they will just announce that they will list it on Coinbase exchange. And what happens is many huge exchanges like Maxi, Bybit will list them also, maybe even Robinhood, and that's what most people are fading. It is not like some random Solana meme coin that the big influencers are shilling and dumping on you. Coinbase is not dumping on you, they don't care. They just care about volume, about trading, about getting fees. And that's why, as they will list this on Coinbase, many exchanges like Bybit, Kraken, here you can see Kraken actually posted this today. That's why there is a high chance that Kraken will also list Dogging Me, and Kraken is one of the biggest exchanges as well. And most people are fading this. They think Coinbase listing is sell the news event. But if you are looking at a Toshi meme coin that basically was listed on Coinbase, and again, you have to sell at one point, don't hold for forever. Everything is for making money. So here you can see this happened. Basically, Coinbase announced Toshi listing. It went up to, let's check the market cap. It went up from 50 million to 150, 170. And actually, when the listing happened, so it basically happened like 1 week later, this is what happened. It went up crazy to 900 million. So you could get 7x after this announcement. You could get 7x, which is insane. And here you can see it was at 120, $150 million in market cap. Dog in Me right now is at 60 million, 68, something like that, 64. So there is a bigger upside. And yeah, that's why I am still in meme coins. I am still in Solana meme coins, trading on BullX. If you want to join BullX trading platform, the fastest platform to trade, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And if you're talking about overall markets, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm looking for this because here you can see global liquidity is going up. Here you can see global M2 money supply is pumping, which means that here you can see that Bitcoin, the crypto prices are stagnating. I mean, stagnating not, but basically lagging 2 to 3 weeks later after the global empty money supply. But soon it will go up. It should just stagnate a little bit, maybe do some bumps and dumps around 81, 85,000, which is good. I hope we don't go lower than 80,000. And right here you can see global liquidity is going up and Bitcoin price should follow. So maybe this guy talks about May that we could see 100,000. I hope that we will see that in March, because May it is 2 months and then we have a summer. And as many people know, in summer people are not that active. People are chilling, taking vacations. That's why I think that Trump will make the economy grow, maybe some money printing, some stimulus checks. That's what I'm hoping for. But again, really bullish on the whole crypto space. NFTs going up, many meme coin opportunities. And yeah, if you don't want to miss opportunities like these, you can follow my Patreon. I am posting daily. And still, I think Dog in Me is undervalued. I still think it could go to 300 million to maybe even 900 million, billion, depending on the whole markets. On the maybe Bitcoin goes up and it correlates perfectly with Dog in Me listing. Then it will go much higher. One potential Coinbase listing is Base God as well, because Jesse Pollack, the Base founder, has been talking about Base God like 10 times, 20 times on his X account. He has tweeted, and this is only $9 million in market cap. I'm holding this as well, waiting for the Coinbase announcement, probably sometime after they list Dog in Me. But yeah, many opportunities in NFTs, opportunities in meme coins. Don't fade the crypto right now because it will be coming back strong. There is no reason for it to stay this low. Banks are accepting crypto. Countries are accepting crypto. There are talks that USA will actually be buying Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, not just the 200,000 Bitcoin that they have got from basically thieves and hackers and all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.